Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to make a new Cash App account after your old one was closed. First, use a VPN or change your App Store region to the US if you're outside the country. Open Cash App and sign out of your current account. Tap Sign Up and create a new account using the same information from your old account. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and go to Support, then tap Chat. Politely explain your issue. Include your old cash tag, email, or number. Cash App support will respond. And that's it. That's how to make a new Cash App after being closed. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.